Hi, hello, welcome back. This is my channel, and well, obviously this is my channel. I'm Mia, and today I'm gonna dye my hair again. You can kind of still see a pink hint, but pretty much my hair's just faded back. Except now it's like got a pinky, sort of brassy hint of a blonde, and I don't like it, so I'm gonna dye it. I'm not sure what colour yet. I'm gonna let my boyfriend decide, except he's not gonna know that he's deciding. I'm gonna ask him to pick a number between 1 and 4. All of his numbers represent different colours. So number 1 is periwinkle, number 2 is sort of pink, peach and yellow, number 3 is yellow, and number 4 is coral. I'm gonna let Reese pick, but first I'm gonna go and just wash my hair to try and get out all the remaining brassy hints. Because if it's periwinkle or something, you know, I don't want the colour to go murky. Okay, I'm back, and I used clarifying shampoo in the shower twice to try and get all of the remaining pink out of my hair. I just texted my boyfriend and asked him to pick between 1 and 4, and he picked number 3, which means we're doing yellow. I'm very excited, and I just want to start. So I'm going to be using Revolution's Canary Yellow to dye my hair. I'm gonna add in just a tiny blob of fiery orange to make it more of a dark mustard yellow. Just that much. Yeah, so that was the original and that's the new one. I need to get a book. You can just see that it's a lot deeper and darker because I didn't want like a neon yellow, I wanted more dark, so
figure you out now. I see all blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time. I can't find the point where our two pass the line, but you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
all the dye is applied. I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes and then rinse it out, and I guess we'll see. I'm about to go wash it out, but I just wanted to share with you guys what an idiot I am sometimes. I'm so ditzy. I was cleaning off my hands with the dye and I spent literally like a full minute scrubbing my thumb trying to get this blob of dye off before I realised I did my nails last night and it's nail polish. Not gonna come off. Welcome to my world. Apparently I went neon. Okay. Slightly unexpected, but very cool. I tried something completely different with my makeup today. It's way more subtle than normal, and I feel like that's a good thing because otherwise it just would have been way too overpowering yellow with the hair and the top. So I went for more of a subtle vibe and I love it. I think this has got to be one of my favourite hair looks I've ever done. It's just so bright and it's like noticeable. And I really like it. I really like the yellow contrasting to my eyes. I think that it makes them look very blue. And I'm just really obsessed with this look. There's not much to say other than I love my hue hair, it feels amazing and it looks amazing and I really like it. And I really hope you do too. Please do make sure to leave a comment below telling me what you think of my new hair because I'm bloody obsessed. I feel like a dandelion and I'm here for that type of energy. Like, I feel great. And I've not done a neon colour in a while. So it's a lovely refreshing change because I think this is like the brightest colour I've ever done. I can't think of one much brighter. And it's also the first time I've done this much yellow and I love it. If you've not subscribed already, make sure to do that now and like this video, that really helps me out, and I will see you very soon in a brand new video. That's all from me, so stay colourful. Bye!